Alright, cooking with Nicholas. Step 1, we're gonna make some popcorn.
Popcorn
And then we're gonna make some hot dogs. Yeah, we got 3 left.
So, number 1, you gotta put some water in the pot.
Alright.
Get it. Like, put some water in there. Once it's at a certain level where you can put in a hot dog in there, you yeet it on here.
Alright.
Then you start.
Wait, are you gonna boil the hot dogs?
Yeah.
Oh, I know how to do that.
And also,
You said steamroll the hot dogs. I don't know how to do that.
and then you got your
popcorn.
You got your tongs here.
Alright.
Question: do you want one?
Sure.
Yeah. Put the hot dogs in.
Oh shoot, the camera's 1 second. Alright, cooking with Nicholas. I'm back on technical difficulties.
Okay, so once you leave this on, once you see it bubbling, you take it out and then you put it on your plate, or in this case, paper towel.
Napkin.
Napkin or paper towel, whatever.
Yay. Oh god.
Hey,
Alright, we'll be right back when it starts boiling.
oil.
Alright, you gotta get the oil. Okay.
Gotta get the oil. Alright, pour a certain amount in there.
Not that much.
Okay.
This is my favorite dog. His name is Jake. Jake, come here.
And then you
Come here,
put some
Jake.
salt in.
Alright.
My name
Put some salt
is
in.
Jakey Chulday.
Got it?
He has a dog and his nickname is Taco.
Okay. Yeah. Then turn it on.
Oh wow.
Gotta put in 4 scoops of popcorn.
4 scoops?
4 handfuls. My bad.
Alright. That's a very good amount.
Yep.
That's a very specific amount as well.
Oh my god!
Then
4 Nicholas handfuls, okay?
Okay.
That's a lot.
All right. Gotta stir it, and then when it starts popping, you put the lid on, and then you wait till it pops up.
Okay. One time, me and my grandma were making some popcorn. Little story time. We were making some popcorn, right?
Yeah.
And we were making it on the stove like this.
Yeah.
And she forgot where that was.
Yeah.
Where the little
Well, they
thing
should
was.
use
And it was popping up. And then it popped on one of us, and it hurt. I forgot who it was. Jake, come here.
You know, the fun
Jake,
thing
buddy.
I'm so funny about-
Oh. What's up?
I'm sorry, in my building. Yeah, so Patrick, I'm going to California last year,
How funny.
I do
What's
not
up,
know
Bonnie?
what they're talking about.
What's all funny?
Little Jake, buddy.
Por favor.
Say the Portuguese word of the day.
What is it?
Portuguese word of the day, and then explain what the word is.
Okay, Portuguese word of the day. Hoje. Hoje means hoje. Yeah, hoje means right now. Like right
Hoje.
here, right now.
We're cooking hoje. That sounds like we're cooking like
No.
a weird
Yeah.
thing.
Hoje is like today, like
Alright,
right now,
yeah.
today.
So it's sort of like the Portuguese word for you better do it right now.
Yeah. Or today, like you
Alright.
better do it today.
Okay.
Okay?
We'll be right back when this starts popping. It's popping, so I'm really scared.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make a little time lapse of it popping. Okay.
pop-
And the hot dogs are boiling. All right, and here's the hot dogs and the popcorn. Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna take the first bite of the hot dog. It's Gordon Ramsay made, so it should be amazing.
Also, there's popcorn here. Pretty good popcorn here. Right here. Yeah.
You gotta act like everything is the best thing you've ever ate if you want people to like your cooking video.
That's good. Very good, Gordon Ramsay.
Jeez, man.
Bro,
Dude,
cat.
you like the food? You did like the food. I'm just kidding.
Cat.
I didn't give him any food. Okay.
Build the cat.
The cat?
Cat has to be the video.
He liked the food. Alright, say bye, Nicholas.
Bye.
Alright.
Bye.
I'm gonna play something interesting right now. Is that cat eating you?
Go.
Is it eating you?
Okay, look.